Dan Morales with North Point Bank, and I wanted to talk real quick about renovation loans. Well, what's a renovation loan? A renovation loan is a loan that's used to improve a property that you already own or a property that you're going to be buying that you want to make some improvements to. So maybe you're out there and you're looking for a house, and one of the things that we know right now is the housing market is really competitive. To find that right house can be a little bit tougher because there's just maybe not as much inventory out there, and the stuff that you would be interested in tends to be selling pretty fast. So what's one of the ways that you can kind of work around that? Sometimes you say, gosh, this would be the perfect house if it didn't need so much work, or there weren't so many different things that needed to be done to get it where we needed it to be. Well, if you're able to kind of work with some of that, a renovation loan could be a perfect answer. What a renovation loan allows you to do is it allows you to buy the property and finance the improvements that you're going to make to that property as part of your mortgage. So it gives you the money to make the repairs and the improvements to the house that would make it perfect for you. So if you're looking at properties and you find something that's maybe a little bit of a diamond in the rough and it just needs a little bit of TLC, and you think to yourself, gosh, I don't know how I could fund my down payment and come up with cash to do the improvements, a renovation loan could be a perfect answer for you. So if that's something you'd like to consider, you'd like to know more about, hit me up. danmorales.com is my website, so it's DANMORALEZ.com. Phone number 616-931-4629. But we do a ton of these loans, and we've done them for years. This could be a perfect answer for you if you're not finding the perfect house and you've got a little bit of flexibility with being able to find something that's maybe not perfect now, but with a little bit of TLC could be that perfect house for you. Find out more on the website, danmorales.com, or reach out to me. Thanks for watching.